for velvet crab. Soft and small, crawling through the sand, they stand tall. With a velvet shell and tiny claws, velvet crabs teach us to pause. Let's write the letter V, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital V with two lines that meet. Lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for velvet, crawl, 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 crawl. Learning letters with a joyful call. The velvet crab scuttles on the shore. With a velvet touch they explore and more. With tiny feet and a gentle glide, velvet crabs move to the side. The letter V is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital V with two lines that meet. Lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for velvet crab, crawl, crawl, crawl. Learning letters with a joyful call. Velvet crabs live where the waters are clear. Let's write the letter V, it's easy, never fear. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter V is next in our ABCs. Capital V with two lines that meet. Lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for velvet crab, crawl, crawl, crawl. Learning letters with a joyful call.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.